Tonight's project is going to be working this front bottom corner of this door. The other one was just like this, and I was able to rebuild it. I'm just going to take a die grinder and grind back this metal till I find good metal, and then straighten it out. Get rid of all this, and probably just cut a piece to like drop in and weld in there. This is a little concerning here because that'll be a little harder to rebuild. But hopefully there's good metal right around back here where I can just cut a rectangular piece that I can bend a bit to shape that curve. But we'll find out here as soon as I start grinding and looking for good metal. Now at least the corner doesn't look too bad. So I've cut the metal back, and it's got some pretty decent thickness along these edges here. I'll just have to straighten it out. In this corner, I want to try to keep that intact so that way I have my curve. And then I'm going to finish cutting this area out a bit more and then create a piece to weld in here. And then this one is going to be a little tougher. I think I can try to like get one down in there that I can weld in and then make it look good. Hopefully. We'll find out. I just trying to do my best here just to fix what's, this corner up in this door. It's definitely got more ate out of it than the last one. I mean, you can see even down through there, it's gone through the outside panel, and up there's some pinholes coming through. So I've got some work on this door, but I think I can save it. And I'd rather save it if I can. So here's where I'm finishing up for the night. Was able to put a piece, slide it up behind and weld it in from behind, then fill it in with the welds, and did the same thing here. I cut a piece in that shape and tucked it up from behind, welded it in, and then filled it in. That's why it doesn't look super pretty, but it's structurally very sound. And then because I've got that hole there, I was able to slide a piece up from behind and fill that spot there also, and then tack weld it in. So what I'm going to do now is, since I've got it pretty much ground down level, I'm going to run some body filler over it and level it all out and sand it, and it should look pretty good. Is it perfect? Nope. But it's a heck of a lot better than what it was. Well, here's getting close. I shot some primer on it after sanding down the filler that I had used to kind of fill in some of the pits and whatnot. And, it doesn't look too bad. I still got some more work to do. Looks like I've got some filler. I need to build this area up here because there's a dent there. And right here too needs some more filler in there to build that up and contour it better. But then right there's a ding. But I think once I get all that built up, it's going to look good. I'm happy.